Are we recording, boys?
Yeah, boys. ऐसा लग रहा है we are like untriggered podcast.
Untriggered or something untriggered in the making.
मैं Avengers तू
मेरे को कोई भी चलेगा.
हाँ तू कृष्णा.
मैं तू भी.
मैं अर्नव भाई.
पर आज के पॉडकास्ट में हमारे पास सबसे इंटेलेक्चुअल पर्सन है हमारे
नहीं
हमारे रूम
अर्नव को
सितारिस्ट और क्या होता है ड्रमर स्ट्रेट आउट ऑफ हैदराबाद मियां.
बट रियलिटी में क्या है बात वो फिल्म स्कूल के बारे में. जस्ट कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज द ऑल थ्री ऑफ अस आर इन फिल्म आर्ट स्कूल.
हाँ
आर्ट स्कूल क्रिएटिव फील्ड.
नाम नहीं बताएंगे.
कैमरामैन और ये हर्ष भाई
हाँ
ये फिल्म मेकिंग कर रहे.
मैं
ये अर्नव भाई अपना
म्यूजिक
क्रिएटिव है और मैं और दिव्य भाई बीबीए कर रहे हैं आर्ट स्कूल में आके.
तो पूरा डिफरेंट एकदम डाइवर्स
मतलब
इट्स फुल डाइवर्स.
सबकी जॉब लगने वाली है.
पहले इससे पूछिए वर्थ इट है क्या
फिल्म स्कूल वर्थ इट.
forget the one you were in. Let's just say in general, do you need to go to film school?
See, honestly, it is not necessary to go to a film school. पर अब फिल्म स्कूल के भी कुछ फायदे नहीं है. Like फायदे है कि तुम्हें contacts connection. Like अभी देख, we are sitting in a room जहाँ पे सब लोग creative लोग हैं. तू creative ये सब लोग. और we are recording a podcast.
Okay, how about this? अगर तू film school में नहीं होता, you not being able to connect, is that the fault of your location or is that kami in the trying that you are
In connect in as
network.
अच्छा network.
the connection
Like
the
you're basically saying that if you're not able to network even after being in a film school, is that your problem?
नहीं I'm saying कि if you were not in a film school, let's say you're still in the place you were at, तू contacts नहीं बना पा रहा है. वो लोकेशन प्रॉब्लम है कि तू या द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ जैसे तू फिल्म स्कूल में नहीं है इसलिए नहीं बना पा रहा है या फिर इट्स जस्ट दैट देयर आर वेज दैट यू स्टिल हैवंट फिगर्ड आउट नेटवर्किंग.
See, there are ways still haven't figured out, but location also plays very important factor. अगर मैं ये बैठ के किसी गांव में बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे फिल्म मेकर बनना है, obviously मैं बन नहीं पाऊंगा. That's why many people come to Mumbai to obviously to work in this industry, right? तो वो लोकेशन तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्ले करता है उसमें. उसके बाद योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स वो सब भी बहुत मैटर करता है. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील.
और क्या फायदा है फिर फिल्म स्कूल में
फिल्म स्कूल का और फायदा लड़के अच्छे.
हमें भी ये बोलना है.
क्या फायदे अच्छे मतलब व्हाट आर द कॉन्स व्हाट आर बैड
बैड
दिस इज
मेरे को एक पर्सनली एक बैड चीज जो फील हुआ है राइट जो फिल्म स्कूल में कैसे है कोई लोग जेन्युइनली जो काम करने आते हैं वो है मतलब एक्चुअली उनको पैशन है बट देयर इज अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल हु कम टू फिल्म स्कूल जस्ट बिकॉज़ they just do. They don't have any ambitions. They don't come here to actually learn anything.
Yeah.
They just come here just for the sake of it.
but how is that a wrong thing?
No, because like that's not a wrong thing, but that's just a thing I have personally observed.
I think that observation applies everywhere.
Yeah.
Forget film school, it applies in every single college that's there. Like my whole batch, wherever they spread out, even if it's not in India, forget, I was in LA, right? Majority of the people, I have no clue how they got it. They're just there. Same way, they're just there, like as if they don't really have that passion. I think that applies everywhere. Even if it's not a film school, in the street itself, you'll find like 5 vada pav sellers. 4 of them maybe the side, like they're just trying. But there's one guy actually trying his hardest to make his customers feel good.
बट आई हैव डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. लाइक अगर तू इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में देख रहा है तो बोला कि लोग ऐसे ही है बट दैट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ देयर पेरेंट्स और कुछ तो अलग प्रेशर्स होते हैं. पर इस आर्ट स्कूल में व्हाट आई फील इज कि एवरीवन हैज चोज कि मुझे आर्ट स्कूल जाना है. तो फिर भी ऐसे बिन काम के लोग आ रहे हैं तो क्या करना चाहिए?
Okay, so have you come to film school for the school or for the other students that are there?
Depends, no. Because these guys are our school. they take their maximum intake is in the filmmaking department, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Obviously, so these guys are here for the technical stuff. They are here to expand their knowledge and obviously networking. For me, I'm doing BBA. My whole point is to network.
Yeah.
And for you specifically, you told me like a while ago that you are just here because your parents want you to get a degree.
Yeah.
So
And for the city as
yeah,
location.
because the fact is, right, you can network in city. The location helps in networking for sure. Like if I was, for example, I was in Pune. Pune is a well-developed city at this point. But if someone from God knows some rural area wanted to become a filmmaker या फिर उनको कुछ इंडस्ट्री में जाना था, तो वो वहाँ बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं नेटवर्किंग, बट वो यहाँ की जितनी इफेक्टिवली होगी.
Of course, but we're still not. वो तो बात हो गई कि we need to come here. पर ये बात जरूरी, is it really that क्या बोलते हैं? Does it really affect the hardworking people? Because that there are not many hardworking people there.
I think hardworking का जो trait है, that's in everyone, but how people are कैसे use कर रहे हैं like उनके hard work. Okay, even if you just do the same amount of thing multiple times, people will call you hardworking. But if you change your approach or you try to grow in that thing, right, तभी like when you actually make growth out of what you're doing, right, that's actual hard work. If you
but-
just keep on doing it.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, not questioning what hard work really is. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ जो when he had said, or sorry, when you had said कि there are people who have come to film school और really actually passion से आए हैं, potential है, करना चाहते हैं, सब everything that makes a filmmaker उनमें है, and they're willing to work towards it. But there are, rather a large number of people who are quite the opposite of that, which is that even though they've chosen it, they've still come and they're just loitering around, whatever it is. But they haven't given any attention to what the school is really trying to give them. I'm asking, is that environment really effective to the kids who are actually trying to work? Does it really affect them?
Yeah, till a certain extent it is affecting.
हाँ.
क्योंकि जो बच्चे सीरियस नहीं है and like people like us who are pretty much serious about our work, तो कहीं ना कहीं तो मिल जाएंगे, फिर वो बोलेंगे पार्टी चल, ये चल, वहाँ चल, तो उसके कारण थोड़ा वर्क मिस आउट हो जाता है.
हाँ.
तो
But is that their fault or is it your fault? पार्टी में वो तेरे को बुला रहे, उनका काम हो गया. But तेरा काम नहीं हुआ है, you could have gone partying some other time.
But I have one more thing ना,
Just-
कि उस पार्टी में और भी अच्छे लोग आ रहे हैं, उसके थ्रू मैं जा रहा हूँ, तो वहाँ जाके मैं और किसी के साथ सोशलाइज करूँ और उसका कुछ कांटेक्ट नहीं मिले.
It's a decision you have to make.
हाँ.
It's not really the look at the goal. See now we've come from other people being a problem to a certain now a situation where you
Yeah.
are making a decision. So is it their fault? Is it what you want? तेरा गोल है ना फिर
What-
at the end of the day. Let me finish it.
Yeah.
कि तेरे को that guy is calling you. He's not serious, but you know that in that party there will be people who will be of use. As in कि for your career, you meet them, and then there's a good chance like there's a step up from there. But you have work. You have to prioritize, and you've been prioritizing everything your whole life. It's a decision.
What if वो person ही जो है, he has very good contacts और वो खुद काम दे सकता है, पर वो एकदम ऐसे कि non hard working है.
हाँ.
Then what you will do?
What will you do?
मैं तो it's a very grey area कि
नहीं बता सही बता.
पता नहीं bro, क्या कर, तू बता तेरा क्या सोच है?
Obviously मैं मेरे फायदे के लिए जाऊंगा ना, because अरे but the thing, right, when you said कि okay it's a choice you have to make कि तेरा काम नहीं हुआ है but someone is inviting you to a party and you still want to go, but तेरा काम नहीं हुआ है. अभी if you see in that context, right, it is obviously hard for us to make choices, and we all have come here young. Like personally me, I have to come here just out of school. I have no experience of how to live by myself, how to take decisions
By yourself.
by myself. So it is tough for people to make the right decisions while they are still new to the world. So being in the right company now. If I'm with like company of really productive people who are actually, you know, कोई event का काम किया है, when my team members actually want to do something,
Sure.
they actually want to make a change, they want to take efforts. Obviously, if I hang out with them a lot, मेरा काम होगा. But if I'm with people who are just treating it as like a okay चल बकचोदी करनी है, काम तो होता रहेगा पर बकचोदी करनी है, the ऐसा थोड़ा casual जो attitude रहता है, right, it obviously you know disturbs your way of working and your way of like how you think also, no? So before like coming to Bombay, I didn't itna. But now when everyone smokes in the college,
You want to review this?
what?
That you.
I don't.
It's a public platform too.
Oh.
First think about it. First
sorry.
think about it.
Conversation was there. Sorry.
No, it's fine if you want to share. it.
Cut.
Maybe I'll mute that part.
हाँ.
जो बोले हैं ना उसको mute.
And
भाई
हाँ
कर सकते
बैटरी जाने वाली है इसकी 16 मिनट से रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं 16 मिनट
दूसरी बैटरी
16 मिनट 4K 60 FPS
4 के
अब ये कम से कम 60 जीबी का बन जाएगा 50-60 जीबी का बन जाएगा
देयर इज इम्पोर्टेंस टू इट कहीं ना कहीं, है ना? तो मे बी द वे द टीचर इज टीचिंग सेइंग कि मार्क्स ये लेकर वो मार्क्स चाहिए तो कर, मे बी दैट इज रॉन्ग.
नहीं, not just for the marks, like वो टीचर को ऐसा होगा कि like suppose I am taking a shot और उसमें टीचर का ऐसा है कि यहाँ पे टॉप एंगल होना चाहिए but I am the one who is choosing low angle, तो वो उसके लिए मार्क्स काट रहा है. तो वो उसमें मुझे क्या लग रहा है like you can have different perspective और तू अलग तरीके से स्टोरी टेल कर सकता है जो तेरे टीचर नहीं कर सकता. तो उसमें अगर मार्क्स कट रहे हैं what
Can you do anything about it?
that's why कौन है इसका है पॉडकास्ट के बीच में क्यों कौन कॉल कर रहा है भाई क्या किस्सा
बस मेरे को 2 मिनट से ले जाओ ना एक्चुअली क्योंकि मैं कंफर्म नहीं था उसने मेरे को अभी भी कंफर्म लगा है मैं डोंट वेट कल पक्का चल रहा है तू
हाँ.
नो बैकिंग ऑफ
no.
आज एक पॉडकास्ट के अंदर आजा बैठ जा. ये हमारा डीओपी साहब है.
ये हमारे डीओपी साहब है जो भी आज कैमरा वर्क देख रहे हो डन भाई क्या बोलना चाहोगे भाई कैसा चल रहा है हमारा पॉडकास्ट
हो गया अभी वी आर नॉट पेइंग यू. हो गया नहीं कम मिलते
क्या करता है मुझे तो पता नहीं भाई छी
ओह शिट मैं 4K हटाना भूल गया अभी 4K पे चल रहा है
बंद कर और क्या मुझे एडिट बैक अगेन आफ्टर थर्ड ब्रेक भाई थर्ड ब्रेक कोई अचानक से आ जा रहा है कोई फोन पे बात कर रहा है मतलब ना ये पॉडकास्ट को हल्के में लेके रखा है
अगर तू भी ले रहा है
ऐसा नहीं रूल है तेरे चैनल पे जा रहा है लालो
इससे बड़ा हल्का चीज और तो आ सकता है भाई.
चलो अपन कहां थे बहुत एकदम इंटेलेक्चुअल टॉक्स कर रहे हैं
We were
हां
teacher
टीचर फोर्सिंग समथिंग ऑन यू.
So, I mean, what can you do about that? That something is not in your control.
So that means कि अगर चलो फिल्म स्कूल में आप अगर फेल भी हो रहे हो या फिर कम मार्क्स आ रहे हैं that doesn't mean that
You are a bad filmmaker. Yeah.
हाँ
It doesn't mean that.
depend
Dude,
on
there's so
source also.
many examples.
Like abhi
I think Nolan also didn't.
No one.
He got rejected, I think.
he was a physics teacher.
And he got rejected, I think.
bro, Kashyap was never he publicly says that people shouldn't go to film school to learn.
Yeah, Kashyap had great
Kashyap,
views.
Tarantino, everyone says that.
Kashyap का एक चीज like it's a short reel. Never really watched much of his interviews or anything. But reel में he like there's a reel where in the 60s he said कि the problem with today's Bollywood is कि they aren't getting out there. Their starting point like if I it's like saying I go to drink tea from a tapri. है ना? 15 रुपए की चाय देता है मैं पीता हूँ. I know what the experience of drinking tea is. Right? Because I've felt it. But to the new Bollywood kids, they don't. Let's say they've never drank tea from a dabri before. The whole idea of drinking tea from a dabri is
It's
movies.
हाँ.
Is movies. It's just said to them. They've never. It's like I think it's stupid because you are reading a book. तो किताब पढ़ रहा है. But then someone comes and gives you like 100-page summary of it, like 100-word summary of like a 600-page book. Will it suffice? Will it be enough? No, because it's you supposed to experience it. He's a different person than you are. The person who made that movie is a different person than you are. Who the hell is he to tell you what drinking tea is like? Same way, who the hell is he to tell you what poverty is like, what problems in life are like, what love is, emotions, anger? Who is he? You are supposed to build that.
Hold
That's
the-
what makes an actor an actor.
Hold the mic closer to you.
Closer.
Yeah.
That's what makes an actor an actor. He knows that shit. Like he knows his shit because he actually cares about bringing that character up. But these Bollywood kids, forget Bollywood kids, even people who are trying to act, they can't act something that they've never really experienced, or at least try to get themselves in that whole spiral of going through something similar. And unless you do that, can you really be a good actor? Like that's what Kashyap was saying.
Actors, like you said, no, actors can't act out what they have not experienced. That's the entire point of an actor. That we have like our assignment right now, and our mentor, he is a theatre actor. He, like, if you talk to him, he sounds like a very serious, to the point, and a very rigid mentality or a person. But when he's acting, he's into the zone. He'll go full bakchodi mode. He'll not give a shit about anything. He'll talk his heart out. But when he's instructing us, it's like he's not gonna, do any stupid tomfoolery when he's teaching or instructing us. So it's like, actor, if he is determined to get himself, get himself into the role and into the emotion, he can. But like you're talking about the nepo babies, right? The nepo babies have not done anything except or seen anything except acting in their life. So yeah. So like they just.
Okay, I'll tell you some good nepo. Shahid Kapoor is a beautiful actor.
Yeah.
His work in Heather,
Heather, I haven't watched that.
it's amazing.
You have to watch Heather,
It's,
bro.
you're a filmmaker.
You have to watch Makbul, you have to watch Omkara, you have to watch Heather. You have not watched that shit.
It's good stuff. Forget that. Even him and Urta Punjab. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Punjab.
For that matter, Kabir Singh
Yeah,
also. For that matter,
Kabir Singh is nice.
acting अच्छी है, ठीक है, movie में
Again, I
कैसे
think
नहीं
it's
हुआ?
also a big part of how Bonga really brings out the character. I think he has a good way. Because he did the same thing with Vijay Deverakonda for Arjun Reddy.
Animal also he did the same.
He really knows how to get the beast part
Yeah.
of, like, the parts that are hidden inside everyone, I guess. He really wants to bring that out, like really show it to the world. Does it in a good way. Not very subtle,
Shift from
proper,
the
like, it's
discussion.
like a punch to your face.
Shift from the discussion. What do you think about Wanga's films?
I think they're beautiful.
I wouldn't say beautiful.
I think he's done quite well. I've seen 3 movies of his. All 3, in my opinion, have been amazing. I've seen Arjun Reddy, Kabir Singh, and I. All 3 of them, I think, are amazing.
I have an opinion about Wanga. Just technically, like ऐसे shot selection, like camera angles and like technically editing and music. उसका वो pics are generational. Like I was really, mesmerized by the fact कि वो ऐसा unorthodox stances लेता है या unorthodox चीजें करता है while he produces his films. He lacks in writing big time.
Yeah.
That is a very big factor. He lacks in writing. He अभी कैसे वो in his interviews he is very arrogant. And that every filmmaker or every artist should be a bit arrogant, because how are they gonna get themselves there? But like अभी क्या है, if you are gonna be arrogant and if you're not gonna take the criticism that you're getting constructively, how will you improve, right? अभी वांगा का देख, everyone praised Wanga for the action scenes in Animal. Everyone praised Wanga for the shot selection and the cinematography of Animal. People dissed him because some people found the script very misogynistic, and personally speaking also, I found the second half of the film really boring. It was just the what do you call it? The Zoya wala scene, you know, was pointless.
Yeah.
Was genuinely pointless. And like the fact that he just goes to his grandfather and asks कि क्या था, and his grandfather just tells him the entire story. वो मेरे को ऐसा ये नहीं लगा कि भाई इतना सब क्यों बच्चे.
Bro, I think Zoya wala thing was not pointless because you need masses to watch your
Yeah,
that's why
Script point of view से मैं बोल रहा था, not
But you have to also understand, at the end of the day, you're making a movie for the masses.
yeah, and that's why it's
There's a reason why it got good.
for the masses. They have literally Ranbir Kapoor. Who else do you need for the masses, bro? Wanga had given blockbusters.
एक आंसर दे. If the Zoya नहीं रहती तो तू वो मूवी देखता.
हाँ,
देखता.
मम्मी कसम मैं देखता. मैं नहीं दिखाया था उसके लिए. मेरे को
तेरे को एक तो आने की जो है कितने दिन के लिए देना
नहीं, मैं मम्मी का
सवाल क्यों कर रहा था?
I'm just asking question भाई कि जो चल ही गया अपना we are coming from tier 1 tier 2 cities. But what about जो छोटे cities
Tier 3.
हाँ tier 3 tier 5 cities वहाँ से
Tier 5 है?
हाँ tier 5 है तो वहाँ के लोगों को attract करने के लिए what I think कि female gaze use किया होगा.
कर सकता है. हाँ, that is also a point. But अभी कैसे फीमेल गेज को अच्छे तरीके से दिखाया भी जा सकता है. Dawn 1, Dawn 2 तो देख ही रही ना सब. Dawn 2, Dawn 1 में भी है फीमेल, तुमने नहीं देखी. लाला मैं
नहीं देखी.
नहीं, मैं तेरा काट दूंगा. भाई वो उसमें फीमेल गेज को कैसे स्टाइलिशली एंड लाइक ऐसे ऑफेंसिव वे में
फीमेल गेज की बात करें, why did mom succeed?
Because bro there was a relatability factor in that. No?
Can you not say that Ranbir Kapoor's anger is relatable?
Very much bro. Very much.
So how can you generalize so much? Mom, Sridevi did such. Oh my god, bro. That movie is what film really amazing. Had nothing to do with female gaze, action scenes, nothing. It's pure emotion. It's pure reality. And then of course the story around it, but it's relatability at the end of the day. Female gaze will pull, item songs will pull. Relatability is what makes you get out of the theater and then tell 4 friends, "Hey, that movie is fucking beautiful. Go watch it."
Yeah.
Right.
And
So if you did you watch Animal?
yeah, Animal के scene में भी सुनाई देता है मेरा नहीं होता.
हाँ.
Scene many people related.
Theater के बाहर जाके did you tell 3 friends की play Animal देख?
हाँ.
Why did you say that? What scene made you say that?
Bro like
वो सब पड़ा रहता है, वो धुर लेके आता है और वो डॉल्बी वाले बजा.
mostly because of the gangstership.
हाँ.
I was
है ना?
very hyped.
You feel hype.
Very
Right.
stylish.
You feel hype. You feel like you want to be there. You want I want to live something like that.
But you know when I watched the movie second time मैं बोला कि
ये
देखो इतना hype हो गया था.
Exactly.
First time में भी अरे but like the relatability thing we were talking about, no, some people just watch films because they are artistically very. Bro, have you watched Django?
Yeah.
Django में क्या relatable है?
What?
What's relatable in Django?
It's not relatable to us, but it's relatable to a lot of the black community in the US. It's all about
No,
oppression and
but
slavery.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Personally.
Why do you enjoy action scenes?
No,
Then?
I just love the way Tarantino makes films.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, right, he makes films, उसके dialogues and उसके scenarios that happen are very random and very sometimes realistic, sometimes very unrealistic. But he still manages to tell a story in a very interesting way. Even though if the story on a surface level sounds very plain. Django का story क्या है? एक slave था, उसको एक बाउंटी हंटर ने रेस्क्यू किया, वो बाउंटी हंटर को एक बाउंटी को पकड़ना था, उसके लिए उस स्लेव ने हेल्प किया। इन रिटर्न वो बाउंटी हंटर ने स्लेव की वाइफ को रेस्क्यू किया एंड देन दे लिव हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर।
And the German did it.
So yeah, the bounty hunter. Spoiler, but like
Yeah, oh shit.
But
But
like,
like, hasn't watched Django.
yeah.
Honestly, if you haven't watched Django, it's all not good. Should have watched before.
सॉरी गाइस पर अभी पॉडकास्ट खत्म करना पड़ेगा। डीओपी बोल रहे हैं
हाँ क्या?
हाँ तो एक शॉर्ट
No, you can go. You guys can go for like 5 to 6 more minutes.
हाँ,
5 to 6 more
You
minutes.
tell first, then.
नहीं इन शॉर्ट आई वाज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन कि शॉर्ट में बताना is art school really worth it or
We've come back to this. We've come
yeah
along
because
with
that's the whole point of this podcast.
within what? How many minutes? 35 minutes? 30 minutes हो गए? 30 मिनट हो गए? हाँ.
Above 30 easily.
कितना हो गया? 40? What is it?
Around 38.
40 minutes से लो. In 40 minutes, you've discussed such important aspects of film. In all three of our mind, I'm bloody losing that. ये BBA. But हम दोनों के दिमाग में भी कुछ फिल्म के बारे में कुछ आया, आर्ट के बारे में जनरल कुछ आया. We're discussing one. This is what important film. What is important. Discussion, conversation, putting your ideas out there so that they get criticized. You feel like, oh, maybe I was wrong about this, or I was right about this. That's an interesting point of view. That is what is important. Not one guy teaching 40 kids at the same time.
It's like you get exposed to
Yeah, this is important with like-minded people. You talk, right? But art school is important in the way, like you said, that you find like-minded people. It's easier to find people to talk about. Your art just grows faster. That's it. Your love for it grows faster.
what about you?
I think कि being around like-minded people makes you more productive basically in what you want to do. Like if you are with some group of people where all of you want to achieve a similar goal or the same goal, you'll obviously be more productive towards it. While on the other hand, if you are with like people who are from like different mindsets, obviously you'll get a different perspective on everything. But abhi it has loopholes to it. But like if you are with the like-minded people, you'll get to what you want to achieve as an end goal. That's what it's easier, or it's like it makes the process thoda more happier or enjoyable.
Yeah, bro. Art school important है.
For me, see, मैं practical बात करूँगा. If you are able to spend that much money, जरूर जाना. It will be worth it at the end of the day. I think that's it. We are.
If you have purchasing power,
yeah. बाप के पैसे.
बाप के पैसे. Purchasing power है तो fucking buy.
अब यहाँ से next 2 minutes थोड़ा end करो slowly.
End ही हो गया.
End कर लेते हैं.
2 मिनट के अंदर end
Like,
कर दो.
subscribe, share, comment.
एक बार सारी टीम आ जाओ भाई.
सारी टीम आ जाओ.
DOP.
This is our first talk. Podcast बोले क्या अभी इसको?
तू तेरा mic इधर.
हम लोग podcast बोले क्या इसको?
अरे podcast.
What है?
It was a casual.
It was more of a very impulsive decision कि lights हैं.
हाँ और बिजली का बिल जा रहा है तो you have to wrap up जल्दी. So please.
अगर इस पे अच्छा ऐसा बढ़िया
दो like आए तो next podcast.
next podcast
Yeah,
इससे बड़ा सेटअप हो सकता है.
There are 2 likes, guys.
I think we should end it.
हाँ, you should end it.
चलो, like, subscribe,